Hey guys, so it's me Destiny here, and I quickly wanted to bring you a video about some of my favorite filming techniques to get my own promotional photos and images without using any professional lights. So first of all, I'm going to start with my camera vertical. Right now, vertical is kind of the wave when it comes to images for Instagram and Facebook. When it comes to that, I think vertical images and videos look a lot better and they attract a lot more attention. So we're starting out vertical, and I'm showing you here two remote controls. One is from Canon, one is from Amazon, and they both work if you're using a Canon. If you're not using a Canon, many cameras use these kind of remotes and make them. All you gotta do is search in eBay and Amazon for a remote for your DSLR. Next, I'm gonna show you two tripods. One is a mini tripod that you can get from Target. This is something that I use to do Instagram videos for workouts and sometimes beauty images and low quality work for Instagram. And then next up, I'm going to show you a tripod that starts really small and gets big, and I feel like these are the best to have, especially if you have to work by yourself. Next up, I'm showing you how I'm sitting on the steps and how I have the camera angled down at my face, and I'm just showing you that so you can see what kind of images I'm getting and the angle of the camera that I'm using. And as you can see, it's kind of sunny, kind of shady, so I make sure to lean all the way into the shade to get a solid image. The image on the left is coming from my phone, and that I'm using just to help me make sure I stay in frame, make sure I look cute, make sure I'm at a good angle. Both my camera and my phone are at the same angle, so when I'm looking at my phone, I can really see what kind of images I'm going to be getting. So the best thing about this way that I'm showing you right now, which is basically the film and screenshot, is that you can use both cameras to see how you look, make sure you look good, angle yourself perfectly, get your perfect smile, your perfect hair, your perfect pose, your perfect body. You can make sure everything is to your liking, and then you can take that footage and pause it and you can do screenshots. What I like to do is just keep the footage in pause mode, and I just scroll along and I scrub along until I find the perfect image, and then I screenshot it, and then from there I edit it and put it where I want it to be. And as you can see, these are some of the images that I got from that footage. Right from that very angle, no special lighting, no advanced editing. These are the images I got from my hallway in my building, and I absolutely love how they came out. Some of these are from the backyard. What I did was I used my remote control to get those images. All you have to do is take your camera and set it to the timer mode in Canon, which also allows you to use your remote control, and then you can use that on the camera setting in your camera to snap still shots. These are some images that I got from indoors with one light, one lamp, one light bulb, and then some more from my hallway. I hope that this technique is helpful for you guys. I'm just showing you a lot of the different types of images you can get from still shots, from taking it from a film, and then some of these are taken with my remote control. The ones that are a little higher quality are generally taken with my remote control from the camera setting, but once you put it onto Instagram, it does a certain amount of compression, so you really don't have to worry too much about the quality. If you're working with an HD camera, it's going to give you HD footage, and it's going to allow you to get really, really good screenshots. I hope this was helpful. If you used any of my tips, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I'll have all that information in the bottom bar. Thanks for checking this out.